Hey, let me show you how you can fix that issue when your JBL Charge 6 it's not turning on. So as you can see in my case, this indicator lights up, but then it just disappears. So it's not turning on. Even when I'm gonna click and hold that button for, I don't know, 5 or 10 seconds, it's just completely not working. So if you have the same issue, try this one. Connect cable into the charging port of your JBL Charge 6, like so. Now, your speaker should turn on automatically. And now you will have to click on the play button and the Bluetooth button at the same time for around a few moments until the speaker turns off. So just hold it. There we go. Now release, unplug cable, and try to connect this another time. Now as you can see, it is working, the speaker turns on.